Marami kaming naidokumento mga kakaibang ugali. Isa na dyan ang mga melon-headed whale na naglalag na nakakatakang napalapit sa aming bangka.
Meron naman na kakaibang behavior itong melon-headed whales. Parang biglang may sumalubong na mga 5 melon-headed whales na umaandar naman sila, pero nagtataka kami bakit hindi sila nagda-divert. Natatawa kami dahil bigla na lang sila nagulat na, uy, nandito na pala yung bangka. Ano kayo iniisip nila? Ano kayong ginagawa na natutulog o ano, kakatapos lang mag-merienda?
At sa paghahanap namin ng mga higante,
nasa dulo na tayo ng isla ng Bohol, pero wala pa rin tayo nakikita. No blow! No jumping dolphins!
isang panibagong uri ng dolphin ang nadatna namin isang umaga. Sila ang bottlenose dolphins.
Yung mga bottlenose dolphin dito, parang ang ilap nila, no? Nahagip ng camera namin yung maaring dahilan kung bakit sila naging mailap sa amin. May kasama kasi silang bagong panganak na dolphin. Natatandaan ko nung 70s, nung bata pa ako, meron ako napapanood na western movie. Very friendly sila. It's amazing na makikita natin kung gaano sila kasaya, kung gaano nila, yung natural na nagalaw nila, no, nakikita natin. Na-touch ako, no, dahil nakita ko yung ability ng nanay na inaalagaan yung anak nila. Para natin mas maunawaan yung pag-ugali ng mga dolphins, kumonsulta tayo dun sa isang eksperto na si Dr. Monica De Angelis. Siya yung head marine mammal biologist ng National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration sa Amerika.
What I saw in the video was that the animal, it's called spy hopping, and it's exactly what it sounds like. They sort of come out of the water, just about half of their body, and sometimes you can see the animal sort of looking around, and so the theory is that they spy hop to sort of get an idea of their surroundings.
Nung napadpad sa amin yung mga melon-headed whales na halos mabunggo nila kami, ito yung weird, you know?
It was probably likely that they thought that there was something else going on that they didn't like. And so what they wanted to do was probably be nearer to you because you became part of their team and you guys became friends. They could have also been sleeping, so the leader, they were following the leader, and if the leader said, okay, it's time to be quiet, or we need to go over here because I'm curious to see what these folks are doing in the boat, everybody followed. And then once the leader made the decision, okay, we're done, I know exactly what's going on, that's probably when they left.